Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome again to our 365 daily devotion. Our topic for today is humility makes us effective leaders. And our scripture for today is Mark chapter 10 verse 43 to 45. Not so with you. Instead, whoever wants to become great among you must be your servant. And whoever wants to be first must be slave of all. For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give His life as a ransom for many. So, ang sinasabi sa verse na to na, if you want to be an effective leader, kung gusto mong maging tagapagsimuno ka, is kailangan matuto ka ding maging tagapagsunod. Kasi, you can't be a leader kung hindi ka matutong or hindi ka marunong sumunod at magpakababa sa iyong mga nasasakupan. Even Jesus, di ba? He is the Son of God. But hindi siya bumaba sa lupa para pagsilbihan natin, kundi para siya yung magsilbi and naging ransom siya or naging kabayaran pa nga siya sa mga kasalanan natin. Our first teaching is an effective leader is selfless and humble. So, ang pagiging leader kasi, kailangan hindi ka nagpapadrive sa sarili mong interes. Kailangan mas iniisip mo yung mas nakararami and mas iniisip mo kung ano yung mas makabubuti sa kanila, not for your own good. Kailangan unahin mo lagi yung ibang tao, and you're humble also. An effective leader is the most servant of all. So ang leader kasi siya yung nagsuserve, siya yung nagsisilbi sa mga nasasakupan niya, at hindi siya yung pinagsisilbihan ng mga nasasakupan niya. When you are a leader, you are trying your best to give your members everything good, di ba? Ayaw mo naman na mapahamak yung mga members mo kasi ibig sabihin, you're not a good leader. Third, an effective leader is driven by a mission. So, yung mga leader, hindi dapat nila gusto maging leader because they wanna be famous, they wanna be honor. Kailangan gustuhin mong maging leader kasi that's your mission. Gusto mo na makatulong sa iba, gusto mo na mag-make ng change sa iba. So, first application natin is lead selflessly, not for self-interest. Kailangan kapag nag-lead tayo is hindi tayo makasarili. Kailangan tumanggap tayo ng criticism sa ibang tao. Kailangan pakinggan natin ano yung kailangan at gusto ng mga miyembro natin. Huwag tayong magpa-drive sa sariling kagustuhan natin, especially when it comes to politics. Diyan talaga nagkakaroon ng mga selfish na mga leaders. Kaya ayun yung dapat iwasan natin. Lead effectively by being a servant leader. So, kailangan ang mindset mo is you are there to serve. You are leader to serve. Hindi dapat ikaw leader para pagsilbihan, kundi ikaw ay leader para magsilbi sa iba. And last but not least, lead by pouring yourself into a mission. Kailangan you are passionate about what you're doing. Kailangan pinasok mo yung pagiging leader because that's what you want. That's your mission. And it's not because you want something in return. It's not because you want the power, because leadership is powerful, but also you are responsible for many things, and hindi dapat sarili mo lang ang iniisip mo, kundi ang good ng ibang tao or lahat ng tao na kailangan isaalang-alang mo. So, yun lamang po, and see you again on our next 365 daily devotion.